Hello friends, this is Prashant and today we are going to be cover how we'll push our Docker image into the Docker Hub. We'll see first images. What are the images are available for us? So currently in my system, HTTPD is there. So we'll pull new image from Docker Hub. We'll go to Docker Hub here. We'll print Docker Hub type and we'll go on Docker Hub. So you need to be login. So freely is available and you can sign up and use Docker Hub. So I will type Ubuntu. So we can go on the Ubuntu repository. If you see here, various tags are available. Tags refers to a version. Okay, we'll use this tag and we'll download Ubuntu repository. Okay. Docker pull repository name Ubuntu and 18.04. So it will pull an image of Ubuntu. Let's see. Okay, Ubuntu 18.04 is pulled. Let's run a container. Okay, Docker run interactive mode detach. We'll give a name for a container and we'll use a image name along with tag. Let's see whether container is running. Yes, container is running here now. We'll go inside a container by using a exec command. Exec hyphen interactive mode. We'll give here container ID. We'll use bin bash. Okay, basically exec command will allow us to go inside a container and you can do whatever you want, like if you want to install application packages, all operations you can do inside a container like a VM. Here we'll create one directory test. Inside a test we'll create one file. Okay, we'll come out by using exit. All right, let's see, container is still running. Now first this container which we have made some changes inside it will convert it into the image. So for that we'll use commit, docker commit. We need to use a container ID and the image name. You can give any image name what you want, but before that it's mandatory to give a username for your Docker Hub. So here you need to assign your username of your Docker Hub slash your image name, my test image, and we'll assign some tag. We'll give a tag is test. Okay. All right. Now we'll just press enter. So let's see here whether our image is created or not. Yes, our image is created from running container 7 seconds ago. So next step is we need to push this image into our Docker hub. For that, we'll use Docker push our image name along with tag. Okay, it's pushing now. Okay, yes, it's push. Sometimes maybe you will get an error before pushing related to login. So for that, you have to use a Docker login, and you need to give a Docker Hub username and password. Here I already gave, so let's directly push. Let's go to our Docker Hub. Okay, let's see here. My test image is came here. If you see, tag is test. Okay, so this image is push and along with tag into the Docker Hub. Now, okay, I will show you. We can create a multiple tag for one image. So we'll commit this same container. We'll commit along with different tag. Let's say different tag is new one or latest. Let's do latest. Just did latest. Then we'll use push. So first we'll check image is created or not. Yes, image is created again, and we'll push this image into a Docker Hub along with latest tag. Let's see. So if you see here, we'll just refresh. We'll go into tag. See, this is my repository along with first is our test tag, another second is our latest tag. So here if you see, pull command is also available. So if you want to pull this test, you need to use this command. So now we'll pull that one. So before that, we'll stop our container, or better is we'll remove that one. Push test ID and do as a force. Here images, will remove our images as well. For that we'll use our with their ID, this one and this one. Okay, images are deleted from my local system. Just verify once. Yes, you can see there is no image here and there is no container is running on my system. Let's pull our images we push. So we'll go with this tag. So we'll paste this command. All right. Okay, it's pull. Now let's see image came or not. Yes, image is there. So I will clear screen once again and we'll run container. give any name. We'll use image name along with tag. Just press enter. Okay, sorry, I think we miss here. Yes, name option. Okay, Docker PS. You can see here container is running. We'll go inside a container. We'll use its ID. Now we are inside a container. We'll do ls. Then can you see we created here test directory. We'll go inside test and file is also available. So yeah, that's the thing. Actually, whatever the state you created the image, that state is preserved and that image is created for that container. And you can push that container. So we'll do exit. Okay friends, I hope that you understood and thank you.